This is the 3 packs a day experiment for March 3rd. The quad I'm flying today is the Stingy V2 build. I built this some time ago. It's kind of beat up, but it flies okay. Props we're going to choose are the Gemfan 51433. I would usually choose heavier props for these iFlight 2208 motors, but the goal of this experiment is to not overthink things too much. Let's do it. I want to get more confident, like doing proximity stuff. So what I want to do is I want to work on like doing like rolls like that and getting my timing down. I wonder if the rates are a little... Honestly, the rates feel a little different on this one, but undershooting there. There it was. That was good. Just kind of, I'm not doing it confidently there. Still undershooting. Interesting. Well, let's just get it dialed in. That's kind of the point, isn't it? So I'm kind of trying to just slide it home without there being sort of a noticeable stop. And I'm raising the throttle just to get a little bit of altitude boost going into it, but you really want to keep it close to the ground as much as you can because it looks more awesome that way. If you raise the throttle as you begin to pitch forward, it kind of pulls you into the move. And if the throttle is still up as you finish the move, if the throttle's still up here, then you can see you're slowing yourself down and you're also raising yourself up. Still undershooting. Undershooting there. Need to hold it longer. Undershoot. .6 volts. We're getting there. Oh, there it was. Let's do some rolls. Mr. Steel. Ooh, close to the ground, buddy. Trying to bring the throttle all the way down so I don't pull myself down or offline. The ability to do this in proximity relies, if you have your throttle up, you'll pull yourself in a spiral, and if you're in proximity, you will hit something. So the ability to do this in proximity depends on throttle control. See, I'm too chicken to do it there. Ooh! Well, let's just do that. If that makes you feel nervous, let's do that. Let's really work. do do it on a curve is even harder. Trying to track the driveway with my eyes. You can do it. Woo, that was close. Oh yeah. Nope. I'm much less comfortable rolling to the right. That's a fact. I feel like that pop is cheating a little bit. That if you are confident that you can end the move correctly, you don't need a big throttle pop. Oh yeah. Keep it below the level of the fence. Not that low though. As I get more comfortable with it, I start to feel like I am flying through the whole move and in control through the whole move, as opposed to going through this like period in the middle of the move where I feel out of control. A little pitch back in the middle as you set it up, the more pitched forward you are. Wow. The more pitched forward you are, the more the horizon sort of spins and you lose view. But if you pitch back just a little as you go into it, well, first of all, you're going slower. You can also see where you're going a little easier. Oh, I felt good about that. I feel like I leveled up a little bit on that one. Huh. See, that one, you can't see where you're going the whole time. You have to finish it quickly. You just can't see where you're going. You can't, like, be in control. You just got, I don't see how. You just got to be clear, and then you got to hit it and finish it with confidence, which I haven't got. I almost like it better on the diagonal. Do you need to yaw to the side first? No, if you just diagonal. If you do 180 degrees in any direction, you'll always come back to flat. Oh, or upside down. That was more than 180 degrees, I'm afraid. I guess I need like a sight reference. Like when you do the roll, you can see the horizon come around and you can anticipate when it will end. I guess I need like to focus on a sight reference for when the move is going to be over. Yeah, it still doesn't look as good as some of the guys. It still doesn't look as good as I know it can. Let's see. Damn it. Maybe if I just do some in the air. Yeah, you gotta be real confident to do them that low. Ah, bloody. Please turn over. Nope. Nope. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. 3 packs a day. There's your 3 packs, and we're done.